welcome back for another vlog. I'm getting ready to head to Dollar Tree, but look who's here. Now don't get used to seeing my husband in the passenger seat. I prefer for him to drive. Let's go, baby. So we getting ready to head to the Dollar Tree. I'm actually in the middle of filming a cleanup. Babe, our truck is yellow with pollen.
I'll take it through the wise lane.
Hold on, because can't see. Yeah, our truck is yellow with pollen, and then my husband and I probably drive together, and I take my car to the car wash. See, we pay for the service every month. You pay like $30 a month, but you get like the $20 car wash every time you go, like the most expensive one, and you could go every single day. So that's what we do. So we could pretty much take our car to get washed every day. Y'all, we just got to Dollar Tree. You here, but is you here?
In 10 minutes.
I'll be in the store. We are in Dollar Tree. I always like looking at their garden section here. Look, it's for you to put like in the plants and stuff. Little gnomes. I got some seeds to do. Let me see what kind of flowers they got. Ew. What? Attach flex. What's that for?
Well, you going to tie that plant to that thing?
Oh yeah, we definitely gonna need that, John. Thank you. So I need to get more chocolate for the kids' jars that I keep on the kitchen table. Let me see. Do they have like the regular circle chocolate? Oh, the gold ones too. The ones where we got. Yeah.
Eggs.
Yeah, because I mean, it takes like 2 jars to fill them up. There's one over here on this side. Let me see. I'll do that. Okay, since you grabbed some, I'll just put this here. Y'all, so I'm over here grabbing kites and stuff, and I didn't even come to get kites. But the kids do want to fly kites. Definitely getting some wipes because I like to get these. Destiny likes to have hers in her own bag, so I'll get 3. I'll do that. Yo, look what they have. Look, John. The conditioner me and Destiny use. The travel size. Oh, yeah. They got the pony. They got JoJo. Thank you.
Well, some for the boys too.
Yeah, well, you know, the boys will definitely not like Paw Patrol.
Yeah, they won't do that one.
Nah.
Turtles.
Ninja Turtles? Yeah, they'll do Ninja Turtles before Paw Patrol. Alright, so I mainly came here for paintbrushes, and they don't have the paintbrushes that I use because this one are the hard ones. Yeah, they're all the hard ones. The ones I use are the yellow ones. And they don't have any at all. Look at this. Detailing scissor. So they don't have what I'm looking for. So I also needed to get some more of these. How many do you think I should get? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 6 more. I really like them. Oh. Y'all, look at this new Suavitel they have, and it says Stain Shield. I'm gonna have to try this. Okay, I'm gonna give me a few. Let's see if I like it. I know I'm gonna like it. I love all Suavitel. Hey guys, so now it's like the next day. Yesterday I spent it filming a cleaning video, and I didn't finish till late last night. I was actually editing till 11 o'clock at night because it's sponsored content, so I have to send it in, and then they have to approve it, or if I have to make some changes, I have to make enough I need to have the time to make the changes before the video post. So that's what I was pretty much doing yesterday, you guys. I'm about to go get my nails done. Y'all see these mugs? Okay, y'all, so now I was able to focus the camera. Now look, you see that? Like, they're looking kind of raunchy, so I gotta go get. All right, y'all, we're here. I came a little early. I didn't know if they open at 10 or 10:30. Now this place, the place I was going to before, you had to make an appointment before you show up. You fix this. I ordered a tripod for my car. I have one for my husband's car, but not for mine. Does that even make sense? So I'm gonna have him put that in here once I get back. But so I'm a little early. They don't open till 10:30. But y'all, I was working hard yesterday, like literally filmed all day. But once it's a big relief once you get that out and it's done. I hope the company I'm working with, they like the clip that I made, and they don't ask me to make any changes. There's a lot of behind the scenes that comes with doing YouTube and stuff, like a lot of work. So I hope I don't have to make any changes. But I had to get that out and done, and then let's see what else we got going on this week. We don't have much going on this week, you guys. I will be vlogging at home. I hope you all enjoy that content with me just being at home with the kids. We don't always have fun, even though I wish we could just have fun every day, but we gotta work and they gotta go to school, so it is what it is. Comment down below, let me know, do you guys have some spring break plans? Like are you going anywhere? Are you staying home? Are you going like a little mini vacation like we're doing? It's just like 2 days we're going to be gone. It's not even a big deal. Or what do you plan on doing for spring break? I know some of y'all already went on spring break, so I might be asking a little late. And if you already went on spring break, what did you end up doing on spring break? Let me know. All right, y'all, so I am finally home. So I just finished doing my nails. See if I could focus on it. So this is what I got done. And this place that I went to is like literally right by my house. They did a lot better, and it's like $7 cheaper. So they're not as thick, because the guy even told me, he's like, your nails are too thick. I'm like, I know. But I got this done, and I got the exact same thing done on my feet as well. I don't know if you guys want to see my feet. Oh well, I'll show you anyway. Hold on. So this is what my feet look like. The exact same thing. I was gonna go adventurous, but I'm like, I really like the color white, so I'll just add some designs to that. So I was just cleaning up pretty much. I'm about to clean up the living room. I still have the Dollar Tree bags on the floor, and I'm about to put that stuff away. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna cook for dinner. Let's go see. Y'all, okay, much better. Sorry, my hair was looking kind of wild. Let's see. I usually write it down on a notebook, and then I base a few options after that. Let's see. I got slow cooker, poor man stew, and a lot of these recipes, I have them on my March dinners. So I will link the March dinners link down in my description box, just in case you want to try some of these recipes out. I'm still adding stuff on there, so if you're looking for some recipe ideas, just check on there. So I have slow cooker, poor man stew, instant pot hamburger stew. Salad with roasted chicken, not today. Chicken fried rice, not today. Garlic parmesan chicken wings, not today either. So, maybe I'll do the instant pot hamburger stew for today, which is pretty easy because you cook it all on the instant pot. I'll make it, and then I will show you guys how that recipe. So let me show you guys the flowers that my husband got me from Costco. These are nice and big and full, and I used the packet that came with the flowers. I've had it for like what, 3-4 days now. She's looking so pretty. I love flowers. There's nothing like fresh flowers in your home, plus it smells really good. These are the ones that I got from Sam's Club last week when I decorated for Easter, and they're still hanging in there, and I also used the packet that came with them, but they're still doing pretty good, so I just have them over here. So my ferns are doing really well. It's like 68 degrees outside, so I'm about to add some water. You know what, I'm about to put her on the floor, so like that the water could come out and then the table doesn't get all messed up. I got this plant table from a store a few years ago in, where was it, somewhere in Douglasville, Georgia, up in Atlanta somewhere. And I've had it ever since, but just water her. It's been like almost a week since I watered her. Just let her sit right there for a bit, and then I'll put her back on the table. All right, y'all. Change of plans. I'm cooking the meal tomorrow. We'll have leftovers today. Still got some in the fridge. Don't want them to go to waste, so that's what we'll do. Okay, so this is what the plan is for tomorrow. I don't have much going on today, but I have some Etsy orders that I have to do, and I also have to work on a wreath. So all day tomorrow, that's my priority, is the orders. Get those shipped out hopefully that same day. So yeah, because right now Devin is not home. I got food in the fridge already, so I'm just gonna warm that up, do it like buffet style, guys. They get to pick a little bit of each thing, and then so that I could clean out that fridge as well at the same time.
The joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You showed me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. 'Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never felt the love like this. I never felt like this before. Felt the love like this. Never this before. Like this before. Yeah.
All right, y'all, so the wreath is finished. As you can see, I just I added some sunflowers, and then I added the leaves from the sunflowers in there as well. I feel like it gave it a little bit more, but I love the way it turned out. So I just finished. Now I got a tray to work on and a few rolling pins. So I'm about to make the Instant Pot hamburger soup in my Instant Pot. This thing is so convenient. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to double up the recipe because the serving that it asked for is not enough, and the recipe will be in my March dinner. So I will try to remember to put it down in my description box. If I don't, you guys go ahead and remind me. So it asked for 2 roasted potatoes. I cut up 4, some tomato paste, celery, onions, garlic. This is how I like to get my garlic, which by the way, I gotta get some more. Y'all, I'm still working on orders, so I'm constantly like doing a bunch of things, It asks for 4 cups of beef broth. It's like half of this in here and half of this one. I don't know how. So technically I will need 8. So each one has 2 cups. So that's 4. And this whole thing is 4 cups. So that'll be 8 cups. I got 2 packs of ground beef. And then I got 3 containers of the petite diced tomatoes as well. And then it asks for salt and pepper and some Italian seasoning. So let's get to cooking. All right, y'all, so, it does this every time I start talking. So basically it's just letting me know that the saute button is on. So it's gonna warm up. It's just like cooking it in the pan. So you do the same thing in the Instant Pot. And it tells me to add the olive oil. So I'm gonna drizzle that's on there. And I get asked all the time where I got this thing from. I actually found it at the Goodwill, but it's the Ray brand. I think they still sell it at Walmart. And then I'm going to add some onion and celery into the Instant Pot. So the soup is pretty much finished. I'm just gonna keep it on warm and that's it. I just seasoned it with some salt and pepper, so nobody's ready to eat right now, but at least I made sure to get dinner out of the way. So I definitely recommend you guys try this recipe because I just tasted it and it's so good. So sorry for the background noise, you guys. I have the dishwasher going, so later one of my boys can unload it. I don't know whose turn it is. They always argue back and forth that it's the other one's turn, so we will see. So dinner's finished. I'm about to ship off 3 out of the 4 orders that I have and then work on the other one tomorrow, which is like a tray. But the reason I didn't finish it today because the paint is very wet on it. So I have to let that dry. So I'll do that tomorrow. And then that's it. That's all I got going on for today, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, guys.